Module 5, Audit Planning and Execution. Course Overview. Module 5 focuses on audit planning and execution, a pivotal stage in the internal audit process that ensures systematic, efficient, and effective assessment of financial controls and organizational operations. Proper planning and execution enable auditors to maximize resource utilization, focus on high-risk areas, and provide actionable recommendations. This module equips you with practical strategies, methodologies, and tools for developing audit plans, conducting fieldwork, and reporting findings, emphasizing the integration of audit activities with risk assessment, internal controls, and financial governance. 2. Definition and purpose of audit. Planning audit. Planning is the process of developing a structured approach for conducting an audit to ensure that objectives are clearly defined, risks and high-priority areas are identified, resources are allocated efficiently, audit procedures are comprehensive and effective. Purpose of audit planning focuses audit efforts on areas of highest risk and significance, enhances efficiency by minimizing unnecessary work, ensures compliance with auditing standards and organizational policies, provides a roadmap for audit execution and fieldwork, establishes clear timelines, responsibilities, and deliverables. 3. Steps in audit planning. Step 1. Establish audit objectives. Define the purpose of the audit, aligned with organizational goals. Example: evaluating financial reporting accuracy, compliance, or operational efficiency. Step 2. Understand the organization, review organizational structure, operations, policies, and processes. Identify key stakeholders, reporting lines, and relevant departments. Use previous audit reports, risk assessments, and regulatory requirements as references. Step 3. Assess risk and materiality, identify high-risk areas and significant accounts. Materiality determines the threshold for investigation and reporting. Prioritize audit resources based on risk and impact on organizational objectives. Step 4. Develop the audit plan, specify audit scope, objectives, methodology, resources, and timelines. Select audit procedures such as inspection, observation, inquiry, confirmation, and analytical review. Prepare work programs detailing step-by-step audit activities. 4th, audit execution. Audit execution involves fieldwork, testing, and evaluation to verify the effectiveness of controls and accuracy of financial and operational processes. A. Gathering evidence. Collect reliable and relevant information to support audit findings. Methods include inspection, examining documents, records, and physical assets. Observation, watching processes and procedures in action. Inquiry, asking staff and management targeted questions. Confirmation, obtaining independent verification from third parties. Analytical review, comparing financial trends, ratios, and variances. B. Testing controls. Evaluate whether controls are adequately designed and operating effectively. Use sampling techniques to focus on representative transactions. Document exceptions and control failures for follow-up. C. Fieldwork, documentation, maintain detailed work papers and audit evidence for verification. Ensure transparency, consistency, and adherence to professional standards. D. Issue identification and risk analysis, classify findings based on severity, impact, and likelihood. Highlight high-risk areas requiring immediate management attention. 5. Reporting audit findings. Audit reports are a critical communication tool for management and stakeholders. Key elements include executive summary, overview of objectives, scope, and key findings, detailed findings, observations, exceptions, and control weaknesses, recommendations, actionable steps to address deficiencies, management responses, feedback, corrective actions, and timelines. Follow-up plan, ensuring implementation of recommendations. A well-prepared report ensures audit findings translate into improved controls, risk mitigation, and operational efficiency. 6. Audit standards and compliance adhere to professional auditing standards such as IIA, Institute of Internal Auditors standards. Ensure compliance with local financial regulations, corporate governance requirements, ethical standards, and independence principles. Adherence guarantees credibility, objectivity, and reliability of audit outcomes. 7. Challenges in audit planning and execution. Limited access to records or data resistance from staff or management, insufficient resources or expertise. Time constraints and workload pressures. Complex organizational processes and multi-department coordination. Mitigating these challenges requires effective communication, planning, and risk-based prioritization. 8. Emerging trends in audit execution, data analytics and AI, automated testing and anomaly detection, continuous auditing, real-time monitoring of high-risk processes. Integrated audits, combining financial, operational, IT, and compliance audits. Risk-based audit planning, dynamic adjustment of focus based on emerging risks. These trends enhance audit efficiency, coverage, and strategic value. 9. Summary. Module 5 equips you with advanced knowledge of audit planning and execution, emphasizing systematic planning to align audits with objectives and risk priorities, execution of audits using evidence-based methodologies, effective reporting to facilitate corrective action and improve controls, integration of emerging technologies to strengthen audit processes. You will be able to plan, conduct, and report internal audits effectively, ensuring alignment with organizational governance, financial integrity, and operational excellence.